Give us data.
Maraming po salamat sa pagbigay ng pagkakataon. Kanina pa ako inakusa ni Vice Mayor na sinabi ko. Buti na lang hindi ako politiko. Anyway, totoo po na merong umiiral na truck ban sa Metro Manila before the Manila truck ban. Pero ano po yung Metro Manila truck ban? Meron magmula alas 6 ng umaga hanggang alas 10 ng umaga. At magmula alas 5 ng hapon hanggang alas 9 ng gabi. Yun po ang Metro Manila truck ban. At bukod po ron, meron po tayong tinatawag na truck corridor kung saan nakakagalaw yung mga truck 24 hours. Nung ibinaba nila yung Manila truck ban, that's daytime truck ban. Ibig sabihin, ang trucks nakakakilos lamang magmula alas 9 ng gabi hanggang alas 5 ng madaling araw.
Mr. Swansing, no, I will stop you there na because I think iba na naman yung patakaran ngayon. No?
Hindi. Kailangan na nila.
But I want to get your statement. Because ang natuturo po dito is the truckers are not willing to cooperate because of the prices. Could you tell us, are you willing to cooperate?
We are willing, we are more than willing to cooperate. Sino po mang gusto mag-strike? Kaya po kami nag-strike because we want to call the attention of PCCI na kayo apektado rito. Because ultimately, babayaran niyo yung gastos, no?
Okay. O sige po. So, nag-bell na po. That means mag-session po kami. So, could you keep this to 2 lines? NCC, National Competitive.
I'm also with the Export Development Council, and we are pleased that most of the recommendations that we have are now being acted upon by both the government and the private sector. Isa lang po yung hindi nababanggit dito, na nabanggit sa Export Development Council. And I'd like to